Welcome to Kitchen Palace. Today's recipe is tomato rice. It is South Indian recipe which we can make easily in our home. For making tomato rice, we require 250 grams of basmati rice, 1 large onion slicely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes slicely chopped, 2 spoons of unsalted butter or ghee, water 1:2, coriander leaf, half spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 2 green chili sliced, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms, 1 spoon of garam masala powder, salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste and cashew nuts. Soak basmati rice for half an hour. Let's start the process. Add ghee or unsalted butter. Let it melt. Add cumin seeds, star anise, bay leaf, cloves, chopped green chili. Saute it well. Add cashews. Now add crushed ginger garlic paste. Now add onions. Fry the onions just slightly changes its color. The onions are slightly changed color. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. Add turmeric, salt as per your taste. Saute it well. The tomatoes has to be well cooked. Cook in medium flame. The tomatoes are nicely cooked. It's time to add red chili powder and garam masala powder. Saute it well. Now add basmati rice. I washed thoroughly and drained all the water. Mix it. Now add 1:2 water. I took 1 cup of rice, so adding 2 cups of water. Now close the lid and cook for 1 whistle in slow flame. After 1 whistle, I switch off the stove. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Our tomato rice is perfectly cooked. Take in a serving bowl now. Finally, our tomato rice is ready. I cut the tomato in the shape of flower and garnished with coriander leaf. Hope so you like the video. Please hit the like button and also please subscribe to my channel Kitchen Palace for more updates. Thank you for watching.